Understanding everyday English. I'm thirsty. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to talk about a common phrase we all use. I'm thirsty. Have you ever wondered what it really means and how to use it correctly? Stay tuned as we dive into the world of English expressions. When someone says, I'm thirsty, they're expressing a basic human need. Thirst is the feeling that you need to drink something. It's a way of your body telling you that it requires hydration. Just as hunger means you need food, being thirsty means you need liquids. Now, let's learn how to incorporate I'm thirsty into a sentence. You can simply say, I'm thirsty. Could I have some water, please? This is a polite way of asking for something to drink. Or, if you're at a restaurant, you might say, I'm really thirsty. I think I'll start with a large glass of lemonade. If someone tells you that they're thirsty, how should you respond? A simple and kind response would be, sure. What would you like to drink? Or, let's find a cafe and get something to quench your thirst. There are different ways to express that you're thirsty. For instance, you can say, I could use a drink. Or, my throat is dry. These variations convey the same need for a drink. Let's practice with a quick dialogue. Person A, it's really hot today, and I'm thirsty. Person B, I know a great spot nearby for a cold drink. Let's go. See how easy it is to use this phrase. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you now feel comfortable using and responding to the phrase, I'm thirsty. Remember, practicing these small phrases will make a big difference in your English fluency. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to our next lesson together.